Hello and welcome to this session, which is our last DNB OSCE session before the exam for the practical batch on 15th of Feb. And today we are going to discuss the OSCEs that were asked in the last term. That is the last DNB exam that we had. And these are the real OSCEs that were there. So I hope you guys will be able to identify it and answer it. I'm going to go through it quickly because I don't want to waste your time before the exam. So let's get into it directly. This was the first picture that was there, and they had asked to identify the medical instrument that is shown in the picture. So can anyone identify for me what is the medical instrument shown in the picture? Any idea? You can see the heart. You can see there are two cannula that are going in the heart. One is going in the right atrium, and you can see the other one is going in the aorta. And you can see that they are connected through a pump, a membrane oxygenator, heat exchanger, oxygen blender, all of these.